Well, it's winter time again. Yep. I like those green leaves a lot better. That's the trouble with living in the woods. Looks nice in the summertime, ugly in the winter. Yeah, nothing but sticks. Well, I guess vacation time's over. Time to get back to the shop. It'll be a long winter. Especially if everything's closed down, you can't go nowhere. Yeah, maybe I can get back on the vet. Yep. Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. There's the vet, but there's two more cars in here now. Yeah, I got lucky at the sale last week. Bought a couple more cars. Not a whole lot of damage though. Here's a nice little Focus, low miles. Looked like it ran into a deer. I think we can fix that though. Yep. He kicked the mirror off before he got done. Not bad. Just wrinkled up the hood. Broke the headlight. I done got the hood off. Yeah, looked like he really sat on it. Yep. It'll need a new hood. I think we can get that done. And that's about it. Well, not exactly. Plastic manifold's got a hole in it too. Yeah, that means I got to do a little mechanic work, which I don't like. Messed up a little in here, but I think we can dress that back up. Other than that, I think it's going to be pretty good, pretty easy. Yeah. Flying hoods. Yep, this one. I'm hoping I got a bargain. That's yet to be seen. Nice looking BMW 330 CI convertible. Yep, it's not running, or at least it wasn't. We got it running. I think it's going to need some belt pulleys, and I guess after that we'll check it out, after we can actually get it running good. I think it's going to be okay. It's clean as a pin, inside and out. I don't even see any body damage has been done on it. A couple of little rock chips, about it. It's not like me. I usually don't buy nothing if it ain't got a dent in it. We'll see. New tires. Top's in really good shape. Interior looks really good. Probably too dark to see it. It's nice. Looks to me like somebody took really good care of it. Of course the battery's dead. Well, maybe it'll come alive, maybe it won't. Well, it was marked water damaged. Reason I got it cheap, but I'm yet to find any sign of being wet. No smell. The fluids all look good. So I don't know, maybe it's one of those that was found in a foot of water and just figure it's water damage. We will see about that. So far, looks good. So far, the only thing I know it needs is the pulley on the belt. It slung it off. Once we got it running, it was locked up. Belt was spinning on it for a few minutes, and then it broke, slung off. So I know I've got to fix that. Check out the other ones. I think it's got at least 3 more, 2 more maybe. So we'll get in there, see what we got, get it running good. See if we got a deal or got a lemon. We will see. Well, I got it all tore down. Looks like this is the pulley here that it just blew off, locked up. This one kind of sounds like it needs a new one. I've already loosened it up a little bit. And it's got a busted place in it too. We'll go ahead and change them two. I got them on order. Well, guess I'll be back whenever the parts show up. Hope it don't take too long. I guess I got something else to do. I'll go ahead and order a new tank, top and bottom radiator hoses, a few other things. Probably even change the water pump after I see the engine's okay. If it's good enough to use it, we'll put some new parts on it. We'll see. Well, all the parts are ordered. Nothing else to do now but sit and wait. Only supposed to be a week. It'll pass fast.